showed up afterwards. He didn't stay long in court. He already left, by the way. He already left.
Kanye, do you think this is an Illuminati attack on Diddy?
Bianca, I just, the Maybach, so clean. I don't like these rims, though. I had the choice to pick these for my baby. I hate these rims. These rims look old. Okay, anyway. This was Ye. This was Ye. I think Bianca might have been there, but I don't have any video of Bianca, and it's clear they didn't come together. He hopped out of a Maybach by himself. Hopped out of Maybach by himself. By the way, Christian Combs met him. Christian Combs met him at the door. But there's also a video of Christian Combs entering today. Hold on, give me 1 second. Christian Combs. Give me 1 second. This was Christian Combs' arrival today. Well, this was him meeting Ye.
Good morning, guys. Okay, now.
Supposedly, there were rumors yesterday he was trying to get into court, but it was said that his presence would be too much of a distraction, and he was denied. Supposedly. Let's see if we could. There's a video of Christian Combs' arrival. Let me see if I can find that. There's a lot of things happening today, chat. It's from yesterday. That's him meeting him today. Yes. Ye has shown up to the trial. Okay. All right. Let's get to what's going on in the trial. Chat, I'll talk about, some of the other things you want me to talk about in a little while, but it's important we get into the trial immediately. Let's get the update on what happened. Here we go.
Okay, here we are, Matthew Russell Lee, Inner City Press, here at the Southern District of New York Courthouse today, Friday, June 13th. It's day 23, could it be, of the U.S. versus Sean Combs trial. And we're covering it. Yesterday, finally, after 6 long, grueling days, as they say, the witness known as Jane, Anonymous Jane, finished on the stand. And she finished with some acrimony with Kenny Garagos. And then at the end, apparently they, made up. We'll see. In any case, we covered it in great detail. And in fact, we are now preparing Diddy on Trial Week 5, the book. It's basically, we're just waiting to see what happens today. Today, what? Three, there should be 3 witnesses. Actually, there may only be 2. Seems like the summary chart's getting pushed to Monday. Everything is kind of sliding here. We have the guy. So there is a government witness, and there's a witness who may or may not be a staffer of Sean Combs. Many people were hoping that they'd see Christina Karam. People have been asking whether they'll see D-Rock. Since prosecutor Maureen Comey has said that the government may rest its case as early as next Wednesday, just to say like 5 days from now, 6 days from now, or Friday, with Thursday being a day off, I don't think you're going to see those guys because they would get cross-examined in great detail. And so we'll just have to see. Then the question is what the defense case will be. And the defense overnight put in a letter. We put it up. You can find it on Patreon, but we wrote a story about it as well. They wanted an instruction this morning about perjury, they say, by Bangalan, about the date of the dangling off the balcony and whether the injuries were all caused on the same date.
So they're not letting this idea that Banna, who is pretty much a confirmed previous drug addict, may have gave the wrong date or the wrong incident about Diddy dangling off the balcony. Now, the prosecutor says, this shit happened. She might have not been accurate with the date, but 2 people say the event happened. One, at first, Cassie had said another date, then she had said another date, and she convinced Cassie to come to her date to say, it happened then. Apparently, both dates either were not correct or, So, Diddy's team is saying that was a clear lie. That was collusion to some extent. She convinced another witness to believe that an incident happened on a date that it absolutely didn't happen. So we need you guys to tell the jury, do not consider that. Do not consider that. Judge hasn't made a ruling on that yet.
I don't think the government's